Alex. I love Micron because of the industry it's in. Right now it's at the forefront of the AI industry with regards to the build out of hyperscale environments. Micron is the leading supplier of DRAM and NAND memory here, which is at the core of kind of AI training and inference. Which we continue to see enterprise investment within AI infrastructure, seeing no signs of slowing down. If anything, we're actually starting to see a further acceleration of spending of AI infrastructure, not just here in the US, but globally in China and the Middle East. So I think as you see this entire industry continue to grow, Micron, I think, is going to capture a pretty outsized a share of that demand for memory, specifically for kind of the build out of AI infrastructure. And if you look at a chart here, I think the timing on it looks quite strong here because Micron has really struggled over the past roughly year or so in a trading range. It's been between 85 and 110, 115 here to the upside. And earlier this month or earlier in April, it really struggled and it actually broke down below that trading range. It finally managed to get back above that $85 level, and now it's actually outperforming the S&P 500. It's outperforming the sector, and I think this is really where I think at the very least we're going to see this recover back into that 110 level here to the upside, which is the upper bound of the range. But if you look at the current relative strength, you look at the momentum behind the overall market, this is really where I think you could break out above that 110. And my upside target here for Micron is around 135.
Style of strategy you would select here and how you'd approach the actual action of trading this given that setup.
Yeah, so Micron. I think right now the implied volatility of Micron is quite high here. So I think I want to take advantage of that by selling options. So if you go out to the July 18th expiration, if you sold the 100 by 95 put spread earlier today, you can collect just shy of $2 for that put spread. Now, the stock is up nearly 2.5% today alone. So I do think that if you're trading this, you might want to adjust those strike prices up to that 105. 100 put strike. It's still $5 wide. You're going to collect roughly $2 for that put spread right now. And that's the way to play this, because this gives you a neutral to bullish view here in the short run, because we are very close to that upside target around 110, 115.